Like he said, he did throw my phone against the wall, and I have, wall damage, and my TV is broken as well.
So, Mr. Jones, you're wanting this in place so that you don't hurt her or she doesn't hurt you.
Yes, Your Honor.
Welcome back to Family Court Drama. On this episode, we have a man seeking a temporary restraining order against his ex-girlfriend. He claims this will help guarantee they don't end up getting back together. But when the judge finds out his ex-girlfriend already has an active restraining order against him, things go left. Let's get into the case.
All right, Mr. Jones, Ms. Williams, y'all raise your right hand. You swear affirm testimony about to give the truth, whole truth, nothing but the truth.
Yes.
I do.
All right, go ahead, Mr. Jones. Don't argue with her. Just tell me what happened. Start from the most recent event and work backwards.
Okay, Your Honor. It was one night, February 13th or February 12th, that I came to her house after the Super Bowl. First of all, Winona we are together. Well, we were together, and I love her dearly. Anyway, I came to her house, got into bed with her. It was probably like maybe 11:45 midnight. Her phone rung. It was an unknown number. I asked her who was calling. She said she don't know. And I said, I bet you it's a text thread from that number. And she said it's not. And then I said, show me. And she said no. So I let my anger get to me. So I threw her phone against the wall and broke her phone. And then we got into an altercation. We got to fighting, hurting each other, got violent. And then I left. Well, she had left her apartment, and then I left her apartment. Reason why I want this restraining order is because that I don't want no more violence to occur between me and her. Me and her also work in the same environment. We both work at the airport. That's why I don't want to grant it for 12 months. We won't come in contact with each other, but it's possibility that I might walk past her or something. I won't say anything to her because, of course, the restraining order and stuff, but we also work in the same environment, like I said, Your Honor. So it's like both of our jobs are already involved with this stuff. Her job is aware and my job is aware about the situations already. And I just want to get past this and move on. And that's about it, Your Honor.
So what has she done to put you in fear for your safety? I mean, what do you want me to do? I can't make y'all get back together, work things out. What is it you want me to do?
I mean, yes, I know you can't do that. I mean, I'm just scared that one of us will harm each other. You know what I'm saying? That's all. And with the restraining order, I know that I can go to jail or she can go to jail. And I know we both don't want each other to go to jail and lose our career and how much we work hard for our lives this far up in this point, Your Honor. So that's about it. I'm just I just don't want to lose my job, and I just don't want to harm her. I don't want her to harm me, Your Honor.
So, I mean, are y'all gonna stay together? What are we doing?
No, we ain't gonna stay together, Your Honor. We at this point with the courts and stuff involved, Your Honor, it is really nothing else we can do but go our separate ways.
Ms. Williams, I'll hear from you.
All I just have to say is I just wish his order is not granted. I just feel like there's not enough or sufficient information provided for an order against me.
So tell me what happened.
So there was an incident at my house on February 12th. As Mr. Jones has said, it had got violent, it got physical. We were fighting. I was scared, I was crying. I ran out of my apartment. Once I ran out of my apartment, I had called the police. I made a police report against, what had happened. the police ended up coming to my apartment. They took video footages of me because I had like a contusion to my nose. The next day I went to urgent care because when the police officer had came to my house, they asked if I needed, EMS, but EMS never came. So the next day I took it upon myself and I went to urgent care and got checked out myself. And then like he said, he did throw my phone against the wall, and I have, wall damage, and my TV is broken as well.
So, Mr. Jones, you're wanting this in place so that you don't hurt her, or she doesn't hurt you.
Yes, Your Honor.
But
I am the cause and the effect. I'm going to man up and be a man that I did start it, but we did get violent with each other. I didn't expect for it to get that violent at all. I did not want that to get as far as it got, because the relationship that we had with each other, Your Honor. And I just thought it was best that I get a restraining order so I don't have to go near her. I know that restraining order would stop me from going near her, talking to her, because I know my life will be in jeopardy and my career will be in jeopardy with that being said.
No, she hasn't applied for a TPO against you.
Well, she does have a TPO against me. Yes, she does.
It's in Clayton County, though.
Yeah, I live in Clayton. She lives in Fulton County. So I had to go to Fulton County. She had to come to Clayton County. Like I said, both our jobs are involved with this. And her TPO was granted for 6 months. And like I said, it's really not.
That incident, has she done anything to you?
No, we haven't had in contact with each other. We haven't said anything.
So if you're wanting it to keep, so she hasn't bothered you.
Say it again. I'm sorry.
She has not bothered you in any way.
No.
Well, so you've got a TPO against you, so that'll keep you from going near her. So you got what you wanted.
Well, she got what she wanted, Your Honor.
You said you wanted a TPO to keep you from going around her.
Yes, that's exactly what I said. I'm just trying to protect.
And that's what you got.
Yeah. I'm just trying to protect myself and my job, Your Honor. That's all.
You've got a TPO that keeps you away from her. That's what you're saying you're wanting.
Yes, she has a TPO. Yes.
To keep you away from her. That's in place. So, okay, so I'm going to deny this because you said what you wanted. It sounds like you got what you wanted. Both of you place your emails in the chat. I'll send you copies of the order. I'm going to step down for a second, counsel. As soon as your client gets ready to get back on there, let me know and I'll jump on.
Wow, what a case. The judge ended up obviously denying the man's request for a restraining order. With his ex-girlfriend already having an order in place, there is no reason for him to get one, especially when the woman hasn't attempted to contact him since she filed for the restraining order. Tell us what you think about this case in the comments section below. Also, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos.